Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're given this graph, which is dictating that Michael swam 2,000 yards on each of 18 days. And this scatter plot is showing the swim time and the corresponding heart rate for each swim. We have the line of best fit. We're asked for the swim that took 34 minutes. So we have 34 right here, so that's going to correlate with all of the values on this vertical line. Michael's actual heart rate was about how many beats per minute less than the rate predicted by the line of best fit. So his actual and the line of best fit are going to give us two different values, and then we have to find the difference between them. So the actual value is going to be one of these points, right? And the line of best fit is obviously looking at the line. And if we look at 34 minutes, we see that we have this point right there. And if we want to correlate that to heart rate, we have to draw our line across to correlate it with the Y value. And we can see that this is about one tick below 150. In between 150 and 140, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ticks. So 5 ticks make up 10 points. Therefore, each tick represents 2. So 150 minus 2, we're going to have 148. So our actual heart rate here is 148. Then the line of best fit is coming in and intersecting with this vertical line at 34 right here. If we did the same thing over here, we see this lines up perfectly with 150. So Michael's actual heart rate was about how many beats per minute less than the rate predicted by the line of best fit? Well, 148 is 2 less than 150. So your final answer is going to be 2, which lines up with B. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.